Hey. So welcome back to my channel. This is a simple video on my LCO method and how I am able to maintain the moisture in my hair. If you're interested in how my LCO method has been working or does work for my hair, then just make sure you stay tuned. Starting off on my hair, just washed it and I did an overnight deep condition. I'm gonna try to get you guys up close and personal. So my hair right now is pretty soft. I'm gonna go in and section it out into 6 sections, and then I'll be using my leave-in and my oil to seal everything in. So let's get started. The leave-in that I'll be using today is the leave-in that I always use, which is the Cantu leave-in for natural hair. And I like it, and it's affordable, and it works. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take 4 fingertips full and start towards the end of my hair. Try to work my leave-in in because of my hair porosity. It really takes effort. It takes a little effort to get your leave-in to actually go into your strands, especially if you're not in a heated environment, which I'm not right now. So it would be ideal for people to do this in the shower if you have low porosity hair, but I don't like doing this stuff in the shower. It's too messy. And it's like, I don't know, I don't like it. So I'd just rather do it outside of the shower. Take a little bit more and just focus on my edges. I just want to make them strong. And things that are dry are usually brittle. When they're brittle, they break. So let's try to make everything have a bit of moisture. Okay, that feels moisturized to me. So there you have it. Wait, let me help you out. Take my oil, which is variations of Jamaican black castor oil, and 3 or 4 essential oils. If you'd like to know what's in my oils, you can always check my video out. There's a link above, and I tell you what is in my oil. But right now, just gonna take a small palmful. You can't really see it because I don't want it to spill, so I'm just gonna go. I use not a generous amount, but I use about a palmful of oil. And for the LCO method, you can use your praying hands on top to try and seal everything in. You can go through, ouch, without hurting yourself. try and seal these things in. Or you can use a combination. Is what I'm doing. I do whatever feels right at the moment, and that's what feels right. During your leave-in and your oil, I just kind of flat twist mine out the way so that whatever style that I'm gonna do, my hair will have the chance to stretch and dry so that the style can look a little better. So I'm just gonna continue this on for the rest of my hair, okay? So I just washed out my deep condition treatment from overnight, and I use a towel, as you guys know. And so my leave-in is pretty much sealing in whatever moisture is there from the water. Because I mean, I'm not a drippy person. I don't really like it when my hair drips like down my neck and on my shirt when you're trying to do a video. I'm not a fan of that at all. It's annoying to me. So I don't do it. So I use a towel, a regular towel, and I dry my hair with that. You can use your microfiber towel. It's been said that there are benefits from using a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. So if you'd like to do that, you're more than welcome to. And for me, I just use a regular towel. And then, whatever's left over from there, and usually there is quite a bit of water left over in my hair, I'm able to seal it in with that leave-in and the oil, and for me that works. So I'm just telling you what I do, folks. I'm not telling you what to do. You know, I am offering you a suggestion. That's all. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Here are my results. I recommend that when you do this, the LCO method, that you try and flat twist your hair into sections, because at that point you're able to take any excess oil or leave-in conditioner that was on your hand and get it to the sections, the smaller sections of that smaller section. Does that make sense? Like as you're flat twisting down, you're kind of like reaching almost every strand of your hair, as opposed to just like twirling it around and sticking it back up there. So I do recommend that you flat twist. I was able to do that with my hair. My hair is done. It is moisturized. Since I'm a low porosity girl, you're gonna have to just give it some time for the remainder of this leave-in to soak into your strands, but it will happen. So thank you so much for watching my video, per usual. Be sure to follow me on all of my social platforms at Ayatajay. That's Ayatajay. Thanks. Bye.